got a SuperMoto that I'm converting now to a dirt bike. I'm about midway through at the moment of converting it. Definitely disheartened or discouraged a couple of times on this conversion. Still lots to do, gotta crack on. Why did I pick middle of winter when it's 1 degree outside? Why did I pick this sort of time of year to do this? Why didn't I pick summer? And we done goofed. What happened? The chain adjusters are snapped. The rest of it's in the swing arm. Game over, lads. That's gonna have to be drilled and retapped. Oh. That's the rest of the bolt right there. Stuck inside the swing arm. Perfect. So that's about it. That's all I can do for now. Not been bad. Got the rear wheel on, front wheel on, front fender, screen. This screen was a pain to fit. I did it off camera, but took me like an hour and a half to get that on properly because of working out universal screen mount, you know, trying to work out how it all goes, but it's actually pretty good. Need to put a sticker here of some kind because this one over here is behind, is hidden now. Rear racks on. Got foldable lever, crash bars. Front disc brake now fits, because when I put it on, this disc is bigger than these. This is a SuperMoto one, but it lines up. The one from the other bike did not. So that's it really. I think there's only a couple of little things to do, and that is literally put a sticker here and get that out somehow. But yeah, this is my bike and it's pretty much ready now. So that's it. Yes, it's quite cold outside. I don't know why I decided to do this time of year. Anyway, that's the video. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. Please support me by giving me a thumbs up maybe. And yeah, catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Ciao.